Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajad and today we will discuss capsule checkware. What is checkware? Most of you are familiar with the term checkware, but many of you are listening this term for the first time. So I will try to explain capsule checkware in a very simple way. So what is pharmaceutical checkware for capsules? Basically, checkware is the automatic system for checking the weight of capsules. Check where is from weight and check mean to check. So in check where basically we can automatically give feed during capsulation filling operation to check the weight of capsules automatically, and we can also get the printout of the checked capsules. How this process is completed, we will discuss very basic and conventional type of checkware, and nowadays very advanced types of checkware are also available. We will discuss advanced checkwares in any other video, but here if you will learn conventional checkware, you will get the concept. Basically, as we know that capsule filling process is completed by filling the powder or pellets into the body and by locking the cap with the body, and then capsule is ejected, and this ejected capsule pass through the chute and is delivered to the capsule polisher. But between the way of discharging chute to the capsule polisher, there is a system for delivering the capsules toward the weighing balance. Basically, check where is the automatic weight balance which is installed with printer on. Whenever we want to check the weight of capsules, we give command to the HMI of the machine, so the flap of checkware entrance is opened and capsules enter one by one in this tube like structure and fall on the weighing balance petri dish one by one. When the capsules fall on the weighing balance petri dish, its weight is displayed on the weighing balance, and then this capsule is blown by using air system to the collecting duct or collecting system, and next capsule is dropped onto the petri dish. In this way we can easily get weighing print for 10 capsules, 20 capsules depending upon our requirement. So automatically checking the weight of capsules during the filling process is done by using a weighing balance system which is known as checkware, and this is called capsule checkware system. Nowadays advanced capsule checkware systems are also available which basically check the weight of each capsule, because after filling and locking of capsules every capsule pass through the automatically installed weighing system, and in this way we can monitor weight of all capsules one by one which pass through the checkware system. But in the conventional checkware system basically we give optional feed, because when we want to check the weight we give the feed, then capsules pass through, this flapper is opened and capsules pass through this tube-like structure and come towards the balance. But on advanced type machines where advanced capsule checkwares are installed, the system is installed in such a way that all capsules after filling pass through the checkware system. The structure of that checkware system is not as simple as shown here. I will try to record a video on advanced checkware system also, So if you have liked the video, share it with others and do subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.